Hello, this is Marjory Wildcraft, and I'm hanging out with Dr. Patrick Jones. Dr. Patrick Jones is a holistic veterinarian, which means that he actually uses herbs and stuff to treat animals.
Lots of herbs.
In addition to the other stuff, I love one of your favorite sayings of stainless steel is organic. You know, if you got a cancer or something, just cut it out. You know, if that'll work, do that. But,
that's all. Scalpels are all natural and have no side effects. That's right.
Yeah. But so a question that I get all the time is, we've all heard the story that dogs it's like chocolate. And chocolate is a topic near and dear to my heart, as you know, right? But the dogs it'll kill a dog eating chocolate. Is that true?
So it is true, but it's also true that if you give chocolate to humans, you'll kill them.
No.
Yes, I'm sorry. It's true. No, the problem isn't the substance. The problem is the volume versus the weight. It's not that chocolate is necessarily more toxic to dogs than it is to humans. It's that you have a Chihuahua who weighs 2.5 or 4.5 pounds, and he's eating, the equivalent of 5 pounds of chocolate.
Uh-huh.
See, and now you got issues. And chocolate contains a chemical called theobromine, which will make it good. Like caffeine.
Yes, it's what makes it good.
It's a methylxanthine like caffeine is, and so that's why one of the reasons we like chocolate. It stimulates our little brains and makes us feel happy inside. It's not. And I get that a lot. I get dogs that are chocolate toxicosis dogs around the holidays because they get into stuff, and they're bouncing off the walls and their guts are going crazy and they got diarrhea and they're all agitated, and if they get too much, it can actually impact the heart and stuff. But it's not because the chocolate's poison to them so much as it is that for how big they are, they ate a lot.
Got too much. I mean, probably if I ate 5 or 10 pounds of chocolate, you'd be
aware of that.
I would be aware of that. Yeah, I know some people are like, "Oh, don't feed that thing a Hershey's bar." Well, Hershey's actually doesn't have any chocolate. That's only dark brown.
Yeah.
It's not chocolate.
And I get that call all the time. My dog ate a lot of chocolate. What kind? Well, it was this. No. He didn't eat any chocolate at all.
Don't worry about
that. He'll be just fine.
So a little bit of chocolate for all of us is a good thing.
That's right.
Yeah. Thanks, Doc. We'll catch you all on another video. This is Marjory Wildcraft with Dr. Patrick Jones.
The Grow Network is a movement of people who are stopping the destruction of the earth via homegrown food. Learn to make your own medicine with plants you find in your yard. Get started at www.makeyourownmedicine.com.